So hello YouTube. After having the bad experience with generic Bluetooth adapter which I bought for 100 rupees, you must have seen the video. I got comment of that video that please make a video on this Logitech Bluetooth adapter which I am using from last 3 to 4 years. So this is how it looks. So this one actually improves the sound quality rather than reducing it. The sound quality is very important parameter, and that's why the cost of this Bluetooth receiver goes around 2500 these days. So right now I connected my smart box directly with the headphone out, and that headphone out went inside the audio in of my home theater system. Now I'll play the same song directly from headphone out, and the problem with headphone out is it's sending audio to my television also. That's why I'm keeping the television volume to 0 so that you will hear only audio from the home theater system. This is the track on my channel. Volume is full. Now I will turn on the Bluetooth module. You can see light is blinking, and I will remove. I removed this aux cable, and this aux cable is from the Bluetooth out. Now I am inserting that one. Now see the sound quality from Bluetooth. Volume on full. the difference. So even if your system works with aux, okay, my system I can connect it with aux, but the purpose I have connected it with Bluetooth is for the sound quality, because this thing improves the sound quality a lot, okay, and that is why the cost of this product is high. Okay, I have this air mouse, okay, even though this has 3.5 mm jack, and I have tested it. This is worth 4,000 rupees, and I have tested the same with my home theater system, but still this can't match the sound quality of this Logitech one. So I definitely recommend to buy this unit. This is definitely worth it. So this was my comparison with Logitech Bluetooth audio receiver. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Stay tuned, live loud.